Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the IGF1. IGF1 for the improve the muscle growth, improve the bone formation, and improve the fat loss. So remember that things important you need to understand. So remember that things the insulin like growth factor 1 is the alternate path for the insulin. So in this way, basically number one thing is that when you will quit the sugar, when you will not eat the sugary food like carbohydrate and other, but you are continuously eating the omega-3 fatty acid, omega-6 fatty acid, and basically the unsaturated fatty acid, even saturated fatty acid with the protein, the normal amount of the protein. So in this way, will begin the ketogenesis, but we are not understanding about the ketogenesis, but we are understanding about the IGF production. So in this way, when you will not intake the sugar, so the insulin will not spike more, basically spike but little, not more, because you are not taking the sugar. In this way, the insulin will not spike. So in this way, when insulin will not spike, so you can think about that basically when insulin will not spike, so the growth hormone will increase. So remember that thing, the growth hormone will target to the liver and that muscle. Due to the growth hormone, the jack and stat signaling pathway in the cell will lead to produce more IGF1, which that bind with the autocrinally with the pancreas, with the liver as well as with the muscle, autocrinally and paracrinally as well as the endocrinally, bind with the muscle for growth of the muscle, and also target to the bone will lead to also enhance the bone morphogenetic protein, and in this the bone development will occur. So in this the bone strength will increase because the osteogenesis will trigger and the myogenesis will trigger due to the muscle growth, due to the IGF target to the muscle, and itself also produce the IGF1 from the muscle, but in the study shows that it is basically not clear that study. So remember that things the liver produce and work efficiently. In this way, the glucose level will be drop, and glucose metabolism will be normalized, rather than the insulin production more will lead to hypoglycemia will occur in our blood, will lead to insulin resistance, and in this way the type 2 diabetes mellitus. So in this way the prevention, this is the important thing you should need to understand, and how we can trigger it. So when you will go into the fasting, so the intermittent fasting, which that basically increase the IGF1, because the intermittent fasting increase the growth hormone and suppress the insulin production and normal the glucose level. So in this way the insulin will decrease while the growth hormone will increase. When growth hormone will increase, will target to the liver and muscle and bones, but also target to the liver for production of IGF1. So the IGF1 will work more efficiently, and that is why you should need to understand about that basically. And you know about that the IGF1 is very important for the growth of the bones, growth of the muscle, growth of the basically glycogenesis will occur in the muscle and in liver. So this is the alternate form of the insulin, but the most beneficial effect is that basically the mTOR trigger. So mTOR will trigger will lead to basically glycogenesis, proteogenesis, and that protein will use in the muscle, bones, as well as other part of your body. So in this video we have discussed about a little bit about the insulin like growth factor triggering mechanism. So remember the intermittent fasting is too much important, and that is why basically we can increase the growth hormone and insulin like growth factor 1. So next video we will understand about the another strategy for enhance the IGF1, but for this time this is a short video for understanding the IGF1 due to the trigger due to the intermittent fasting. So this is the basically for growth of the bones, growth of the muscle, as well as your deposition anabolism. So remember that thing. Basically the IGF1 is important for anabolism. So the glucophage is also triggered, but we are not understanding about that, we will understand later. So for this time, bye. See you in the next video. And I am also making the handwritten tutorial about the biomedical science through hard working. So you can give the comment, you can watch that and learn a lot of knowledge about the insulin growth factor 1 and the exercise as well as atrophy, hypertrophy, so a lot more videos. And on the other hand, the biomedical student especially can watch that videos for understanding better. So remember that thing. See you in the next video. For this time, bye.